Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. August 24. 7:35 America, New York. Fauci expects Moderna, Johnson & Johnson vaccines to receive complete approval relatively soon. Fauci remarks on the COVID-19 vaccine full approval process. This follows the news from yesterday for Pfizer. In case you missed it.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 24. 7:30 America, New York. This avocado stock won't toast your portfolio. There's good fat and there's bad fat. Mission Produce, a rare pure-play avocado seller with diverse suppliers south of the border, could help investors take advantage of America's avocado craze.
Daily FX Market News. August 24. 7:30 America, New York. Market sentiment data still bullish for Euro, USD, webinar. Trader confidence in riskier assets remains high on suggestions that the Federal Reserve may not after all signal a tightening of U.S. monetary policy Friday.
Forex Live. August 24. 7:27 America, New York. Goldman Sachs still sees Fed tapering by year-end, now eyes a November announcement. Goldman Sachs raises odds on a Fed taper announcement at its November meeting from 25% to 45%. As such, the firm lowers odds of an announcement in December from 55% to 35%.
New York Times Business. August 24. 7:20 America, New York. Airbnb says it will give temporary free housing to 20,000 Afghan refugees. The company said it was working with resettlement agencies. It did not specify how long refugees could stay in the apartments and houses. New York Times Business. August 24. 7:09 America, New York. Airbnb to offer free housing to 20,000 Afghan refugees. The company said it was working with resettlement agencies. It did not specify how long refugees could stay in the apartments and houses. Families who were evacuated from Afghanistan waited on Monday to board buses at Washington Dulles International Airport in Virginia.
Daily FX Market News. August 24. 7:05 America, New York. NZD, USD jumps on hawkish RBNZ, Euro, NZD slammed into key support. NZD outperforms as RBNZ provides reminder of intention to hike rates.
Forex Live. August 24. 7:04 America, New York. NZD, USD looking for a move back towards 0.7000 again? NZD, USD trades up 0.8% to 0.6945. Remarks by RBNZ policymaker Christian Hawkesby earlier in the day, up pointing arrow, have been a key factor in propping the Kiwi up in European morning trade.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 24. 7:03 America, New York. A mortgage stock with room to grow. Investors have been focused on falling refinancing volumes, but there is upside for new residential as the mortgage market shifts gears.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. August 24. 7 o'clock America, New York. Urban Outfitters to take on Poshmark with Newly Thrift. The retailer plans to create Newly Thrift marketplace to compete for secondhand sales.
Wall Street Journal Markets. August 24. 6:44 America, New York. Palo Alto Networks, CrowdStrike, Pinduoduo. What to watch when the stock market opens today. Cybersecurity shares are on the rise, along with Chinese technology stocks.
Naked Capitalism. August 24. 6:30 America, New York. Spain's Supreme Court rules against using vaccine passports to restrict access to public spaces. It's the first time a high court of a European member state has challenged the use of vaccine passports domestically.
Forex Live. August 24. 6:26 America, New York. FX option expiries for the 24th of August. 10 am New York cut. A look at what is on the board for today. A couple of large ones to take note of on the day, as highlighted in bold for USD, JPY. There is a relatively big one near the current spot price at 109.65, with the more significant one closer to 109.9000, likely to limit price action before rolling off.
Daily FX Market News. August 24. 6:18 America, New York. USD, ZAR breaking news. Rand slips as SA unemployment rate rises. Downbeat South African unemployment data has added to the Rand's recent woes, with USD, ZAR trading marginally higher after a strong start to the week.
Forex Live. August 24. 6 o'clock America, New York. UK August CBI retailing reported sales 60 versus 23 prior. Latest data released by CBI the 24th of August 2021. This is a positive report overall as it highlights that consumer demand, spending is still robust in the summer, though CBI warns that it might settle down later in the year.
Naked Capitalism, August 24th, 5:54 America, New York, the coming school opening COVID train wreck. COVID warning for the fall. Assume the brace position.
Wall Street Journal Markets, August 24th, 5:33 America, New York. If you bought municipal bonds a long time ago, this is a great time. Prices are surging as comments by President Biden ignite tax increase fears and local governments weather the COVID-19 pandemic better than expected.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business, August 24th, 5:30 America, New York. Yelp reviews fuel fights over COVID vaccine requirements. In early August, Yelp added features allowing businesses to list their vaccine policies. The change has thrust Yelp, and the small businesses listed on its pages, into the broader debate over vaccine requirements.
Wall Street Journal Markets, August 24th, 5:30 America, New York. U.S. crops wither under scorching heat. Inventories of grains worldwide are dwindling, further pushing up already high prices for corn and wheat.
Daily FX Market News. August 24th, 5:30 America, New York. Equities climb as taper odds fall on COVID concerns, DAX 30, CAC 40 outlook. Global equities are on the rise again as analysts are now dubious about the Fed's announcement of asset tapering at Jackson Hole.
Wall Street Journal Markets, August 24th, 5:30 America, New York. Euro falls to 9-month low as Fed, ECB policies diverge. Investors are betting that the Eurozone will maintain lower interest rates and have a slower economic recovery than the U.S.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business, August 24th, 5:30 America, New York. Hollywood movies flood piracy sites hours after release. Millions of people are watching high-quality, pirated versions of top titles sooner than ever after their releases, undermining potential ticket sales and subscriber growth as Hollywood embraces streaming. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business, August 24th, 5:30 America, New York. COVID-19 rekindles debate over license requirements for many jobs. Hair styling and medical fields are among the occupations where state rules can bar entry. Biden has pushed for changes.